Hi, so right now, as you can see, I removed the brush, the side brush in the mopping pad, and I don't hear any loud noises. I'll install the brush and I'll take another video. Okay, as you can see, I've this time the main brush is installed. Here as well, main brush is installed. No mop, no side brush. The main roller brush when it starts moving, this gets very loud. Now, right now it's at the lowest suction power as well, so this sound is pretty loud for that setting. So this was the brush installed. It's the original brush. Now I have the replacement brush as well that came in the box. I'm using that. So even with the brand new brush in there, it gets pretty loud again. So it's not the brush itself that's causing it. That's what I wanted to show.